The Queen's Beast series from the Royal Mint is based on the Heraldry of Queen Elizabeth II. This is the story of the first coin of the series, the Lion of England. Queen Elizabeth II was crowned on June 2, 1953. She is the longest reigning monarch in history. She succeeded her father, King George VI, who died a year prior. At the coronation ceremony, 10 statues were sculpted to represent the arms of her ancestry. Each of the statues was turned into a coin for the Queen's Beast series by the Royal Mint. They were released from 2016 to 2020 inclusively. The series is one of the most impressive ever minted both in appearance and in diversity of coins. In total, 10 coins were produced in 140 variants. This is very likely the most extensive coin series ever minted. The Royal Mint has announced they plan to release a succeeding series. The shield present on the coin represents the arms of Queen Victoria, who ruled the United Kingdoms of Great Britain and Ireland from 1819 to 1901. Queen Victoria was part of House Hanover. The first and fourth quarter shown on the shield is the Royal Arms of England and the arms of the Plantagenets. It came from Richard I, who was known as Richard Cœur de Lion, French for Richard the Lionheart. This came from his reputation as a great military leader and warrior. Richard was part of the House of Plantagenets. He reigned from 1189 to 1198. In the second quarter, we find the Royal Arms of Scotland. It was introduced during the reign of Malcolm III, who reigned Scotland from 1058 to 1093. In the third quarter, we have the Royal Arms of Ireland. The earliest record of these arms date back to 1280 and were used to represent the King of Ireland. The beast, the crowned lion, replaces both the supporters on each side of the shield and the crest. This is a very elegant design that works quite well for the coins. The coins were minted in silver, gold, platinum, and Cupro-Nickel. Starting with silver, the 2-ounce bullion coins had unlimited mintage. I contacted the Royal Mint to try to get an idea of the number produced, but they were unable to provide an answer. A 10-ounce version of the silver bullion was also produced in unlimited numbers in 2017. These were produced in much lower numbers compared to the 2-ounce version and are quite rare. A 1-ounce proof silver version was released in 2017 with all of the other proof versions of this coin. The 1-ounce version had a mintage of 8500. A 5-ounce proof silver version was also released with a mintage of 2500. The 10-ounce proof silver version was released with a mintage of 1250 coins. And the final silver proof version that was released was a 1 kilogram coin and had a mintage of only 600. The Royal Mint released both gold bullion versions in 2016 and they both had an unlimited mintage. The quarter-ounce one had a face value of 25 pounds and the 1-ounce had a face value of 100 pounds. All of the gold-proof versions were released in 2017. The quarter-ounce one had a mintage of 2500. The 1-ounce version had a mintage of 1000. The 5-ounce had a mintage of only 125. And finally, the 1 kilogram one had a mintage of only 25. The Royal Mint released a single platinum version of the coin. It was done in bullion strike and had a weight of 1 ounce. It was minted with unlimited production and was released in 2017. The final version of the coin was a brilliant uncirculated Cupro-Nickel coin that weighed 1 ounce. It was available from 2017 to 2019. This completes the information regarding the first coin of the series. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel to see the videos for the last 9 coins of the series. Let me know what you think of this coin. Remember that comments on this video are a ticket for future giveaways. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.